Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I want to share with you real quickly on how to keep your mess at a bare minimum when you're drilling into a ceiling or in a wall. And you may have seen me do this when I did a smoke detector a while back. All you need to do is kind of keep some paper bowls handy and just drill a hole straight through it. And what's going to happen is when you drill this into the ceiling, all the mess, all the sheetrock and everything is going to fall right down inside here. Make sure that you hang on to the bowl, because if you don't, this is going to kind of spin and the centrifugal force is going to make all that stuff just kind of fly right out. So as you're drilling into the ceiling, just hold on to that and all the mess will go right in the bowl. Then you can just take that and just dump it in the trash. Now on the wall itself, all you need to do, if you're going to be drilling into a wall, maybe you got a sheetrock anchor or something like that, is just take the bowl and just kind of bend it up a little bit like that, and take some masking tape, painter's tape, or whatever you may have handy, and just tape it onto the wall. Just take this, go like that, and just put it on the wall. And then when you drill, what will happen is all that stuff will fall right down inside that bowl, and you're going to keep the mess at a bare minimum. Well, hope that helps you with your next project, and especially if you're working in a client's home or something like that and you're trying to keep the mess down, you'll find that this is going to help you out a lot. So hang on to these, keep them readily available for you when on your next job, and you should be all set to go. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.